Hi, I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and we're here for week 6 of the 2025 fourth quarter challenge. We're here in the second week in November where we are exploring what we can reflect on and reclaim from this year that we can take into 2026. This week, we are speaking about our relationships, and today, we're speaking about communications. Before we go further, I'd like to ask if you like the content that I consistently share, that you hit the like, the thumbs up, or the heart, that you subscribe or follow, that you share a link with a colleague, a friend, a relative, or even a neighbor who can use it. And finally, that you would invite someone to join this fourth quarter challenge with you. Now, today's question: what did 2025 teach you about communicating that you can take along with you into 2026? One of the things that it taught me was that the best communicators are listeners, and communications, excellent communications, are built on the foundation of attentive listening. Attentive listening, genuinely trying to understand someone else's experience, is the key to connection. And connection is key to communicating with excellence. So often we listen because we want to respond to what's being said to us without even really understanding it. And many learn this lesson the hard way. Often they learn it through a conversation that went wrong, or a conflict that escalated needlessly, or a relationship that suffered or was actually fractured because we weren't really listening. If 2025 showed you the difference between only hearing someone versus actually listening to them, listening to their heart and what they meant, that's a great lesson learned, not only for 2026, but for life. Learning to listen with genuine interest and with the desire to understand will transform your relationships in every arena in 2026: your personal relationships, your family relationships, relationships with neighbors, friends, with colleagues, especially. So please remember these lessons and please share with me what it is that you have learned about listening, or what you even think about listening. Now, I also remind you to please remember to like, subscribe, share this link with someone, and invite others to join you in the balance of this 2025 fourth quarter challenge, where we're gearing up to hit the ground running in 2026. Also, remember that there's still the Women's Accelerated R4 cohort and the Put Your Dreams to the Test Leadership Learning Circle that will be offered between now and the end of the year, also designed to help you to transition and to take those dreams and make them happen. Thanks so much for taking the time to join me today. Have a great balance of the day, and we'll see you next time with a leadership tip.